Hey guys, today I have a bit like of a different video, I guess, but sorry, every time I film like a video that's like on like where I have to move my tripod, every time I set it back up I feel like it takes a while for like me to actually get it in the right spot. But I have a bit of a different video I actually want to give away, which is really exciting. Normally I don't ever enter giveaways, but I decided to try my luck and I won, which is really exciting. So Unicorn Cosmetics put up a thing like the other day and they were like, comment, and if your comment gets no likes, we'll send you a PR package. I was like, I'm gonna try my luck, so I did. Sorry, I feel like that's a little bit better. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm really excited. So thank you so much, Unicorn Cosmetics, for sending this over. I'm so excited. Yeah, like I said, I feel like I've actually never won a giveaway, so this is really exciting. So first, they have this little note in here which is super cute, and it says, "Hey lovely, congrats on winning our PR package competition. We hope you love your Unicorn Cosmetics goodies. Have an amazing day. Lots of love, Mel and the Unicorn Cosmetics team," which is super sweet. I actually love Unicorn Cosmetics so much. I used to use their lashes religiously. I haven't had any of their lashes in a while. They used to be available on Glam Radar and stuff, and I feel like they're not like with a lot of the stockists these days, so I feel like I don't really see them much anymore. But I actually really love Unicorn Cosmetics and I'm so excited to finally have some more of their lashes. So they're actually so generous, which was lovely. They sent over 4 pairs of lashes, which I'm so excited about. The first pair are called Strawberry Shortcake, and I got these. I've had these lashes before and I adore them. I love Unicorn Cosmetics lashes, they're so stunning. Next we have Ariel. How stunning are they? Then we have Aurora. Beautiful. And these ones are called Unicorn Wings. So I'm so excited. They all look absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait. Then they sent over a couple more things, which is exciting because I've only ever tried Unicorn Cosmetics lashes, so I'm excited to try some other things. The next thing they sent over was the best lash glue ever, which is cute. And I'm honestly going to give this a go. I love my Ardell lash glue, but I might try out, you know, a different lash glue. So this is how it looks here. It's super cute, and then it's like one of the little applicators where it's and I just said Ardell. I meant to say Duo. My Duo lash glue. Anyway, next they sent over the Bareface lip oil. Mine's in the shade Passion Beartini. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I've actually seen these online. How cute is that packaging? Super cute and super unique. Oh my god. It's okay. Is that meant to come off? Probably not. Oh, that smells real good. Yum. It's super like fruity. Love that. I want the lid to go back on properly though. Oh, okay. So I sent that over. They also sent over a little brow brush. Super cute. I have like a spoolie on one end and then like a little brush on the other end. Super cute. Love that. And then the last thing that they sent over was the Bare Brows Super Lift Balm. Super Lift and Hold. So yeah, let's open this and have a look. So that's the packaging there. Super cute. That's the balm there. It's actually quite big and it comes with this little tiny brush. That's what it looks like. Looks like there's nothing in there, but there is, I promise. I don't know why, but it smells really nice. Not like, I don't think it's like meant to smell nice, but like it smells like, I don't know, it just smells good. So that was everything that I won in the giveaway, which was so exciting. So yeah, thank you so much, Unicorn Cosmetics. This is actually super exciting for me. But yeah, I really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!